Lausanne for the FT Commodities Global Summit, and industry leaders have gathered amid another difficult year for oil. One of the big talking points is, has the oil price bottomed? I'm going to talk to some delegates to find out.
I think we're going to see a little bit more volatility in the next few weeks as we go into the Doha meeting. We see some statements around that, that I think are going to move the market. I think coming into summer then, when you start to see crude inventories draw, I think that should be supportive for the market, and we think demand is going to be fairly strong this year. So we do start to see prices start to rise towards the second half of the year.
I don't know if the oil price has bottomed. I think what is clear is that the market is gradually responding to low prices. As prices fall and demand growth is growing at twice its 10-year average, supply is starting to dampen, and as a result of which the market is gradually moving towards balance, hopefully by the end of this year. What prices will do, I don't know, but I think there's clear signs that the market is gradually rebalancing.
I think for the sort of short, medium term, there's probably a bottom in the oil prices now. We got down to below $30 a barrel. That created a lot of pain on the supply side. But equally, I don't think there's a massive amounts of upside because we're still in this very low growth environment. So, put a gun to my head, I'd say we're probably 30 to 50 or 35 to 55 range for the next 12 months.
The answer is none of us do know, and anyone who thinks they do is really being a little bit disingenuous. What we need to do is get growth back into the economy. Let's get some growth back. That's what we're all waiting for. We need to kickstart this patient. We've tried QE, we've tried low interest rates. What we're really waiting for is recovery and world growth, and then I'll be able to give you a better answer to your question, Anjli.
Uncertainty remains, but traders are cautiously optimistic about the outlook for the oil price. They say it's not a matter of if, but when supply and demand will come into balance. Anjli Raval, Financial Times, Lausanne.